Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How trucking companies stay on top of fleet maintenance. Maintaining a trucking fleet isn't just routine, it's essential. Reliable maintenance keeps trucks on the road, ensures driver safety, and prevents costly downtime. But managing a fleet has its challenges. With tight schedules, rising costs, and unexpected breakdowns, trucking companies must juggle efficiency with safety. In this video, we'll explore how they do it, from proactive inspections to smart use of technology, helping them stay ahead in a demanding industry. The importance of fleet maintenance. Fleet maintenance is a cornerstone of the trucking industry. It's more than just keeping trucks clean or polished, it's about ensuring trucks remain roadworthy, safe, and cost-effective. For trucking companies, well-maintained fleets mean fewer delays, a stronger reputation, and better service for their clients. Neglecting maintenance? That's a recipe for accidents, fines, or even a broken bottom line. Here's why staying on top of maintenance is non-negotiable. Ensuring safety. Safety is always priority number one. Trucks are massive machines, and when something small goes wrong, like worn brakes or underinflated tires, it can cause big problems. Regular maintenance checks keep drivers safe and protect other drivers on the road. Think about it. Would you drive a car with faulty brakes? Of course not. Now imagine the risks at 10 times the size and weight of a personal car. Maintenance prevents mechanical failures like brake malfunctions, engine overheating, or tire blowouts, drastically reducing the risk of accidents. It's not just about schedules or budgets, real lives are at stake. Trucking companies stay proactive by scheduling frequent inspections, checking systems like brakes to ensure stopping power is reliable, lights for visibility, especially in poor weather or at night, tires to avoid dangerous blowouts on the highway. Well-maintained trucks help drivers feel confident behind the wheel, and that peace of mind is priceless. Regulatory compliance. The trucking industry doesn't just operate on trust. Strict regulations are in place to keep equipment up to par. From Department of Transportation, inspections to emission standards, trucking companies must follow the rules. Proper fleet maintenance makes compliance easier and avoids expensive fines or penalties. Failing an inspection isn't just a headache, it can mean trucks are taken off the road until repairs are made. For companies, that's lost revenue and missed deadlines. Worse, repeated non-compliance could lead to reputational damage or even legal action. Regular maintenance ensures trucking businesses are always a step ahead. By keeping detailed maintenance records and sticking to schedules, fleets pass inspections with flying colors. This includes tasks like checking emission systems to meet environmental standards, maintaining reliable brakes and steering to meet safety requirements, ensuring documentation is thorough to show proof of compliance during audits. When trucks are well maintained, inspections feel more like routine checkups than stressful exams. Cost savings through preventative maintenance. A small repair today beats a major breakdown tomorrow. Preventative maintenance might seem like an extra expense, but in reality, it saves money over time. Trucks are less likely to need emergency repairs, and their working life gets extended. It's like brushing your teeth regularly instead of waiting until you need a root canal. Breakdowns on the road are costly. Towing fees, unexpected repairs, and lost time add up fast. Preventative maintenance catches issues early, before they spiral into major problems. A quick oil change or filter replacement, for example, helps keep engines running smoother for longer. In the long run, maintenance reduces wear and tear. A well-cared-for fleet lasts years longer than one with a fix-it-when-it-breaks mentality. For trucking companies, this means fewer new trucks to buy and more predictable expenses. Here's how preventative maintenance saves money daily. Fuel efficiency. Well-maintained engines and tires improve MPG. Fewer breakdowns. Avoid surprise roadside repairs and downtime. Resale value. Trucks with a solid maintenance record sell for more. Sticking to a proactive plan isn't just smart, it's profitable. Trucking companies that prioritize maintenance protect both their budget and their bottom line. Key components of fleet maintenance. Effective fleet maintenance hinges on several crucial components that ensure the longevity and reliability of trucking operations. By focusing on these key areas, companies can avoid costly repairs, stay compliant with regulations, and keep their drivers safe on the road. Engine and drivetrain maintenance. The heart of any truck lies in its engine and drivetrain. Regularly maintaining these components is vital for optimal performance and longevity. A well-functioning engine directly impacts fuel efficiency, power output, and overall reliability. Skipping routine checks can lead to significant problems down the line, such as engine failure or reduced towing capabilities. Consider this. An engine is like the body of a vehicle. Just as a person requires regular checkups and proper nutrition, an engine needs regular oil changes, filter replacements, and fluid inspections. By monitoring and addressing issues early, trucking companies can extend the life of their engines and maximize performance. Essential maintenance tasks include oil changes, keeps the engine lubricated and running smoothly. Coolant checks, prevents overheating and ensures a stable operating temperature. Transmission maintenance, ensures smooth gear transitions and reliability. Neglecting these areas not only compromises vehicle performance but can also lead to expensive downtime, affecting a company's bottom line. Tire management. Tires are the only contact point between a truck and the road, making their maintenance critical. Proper tire management encompasses more than just ensuring they look good. It involves understanding their impact on safety, efficiency, and driving comfort. Underinflated or misaligned tires can cause blowouts and decrease fuel economy, wasting resources and risking safety. Regular tire maintenance practices include proper inflation. Maintaining the correct air pressure boosts fuel efficiency and prolongs tire life. Alignment checks. Ensures that tires wear evenly and the truck handles well. Regular inspections. Identifying signs of wear or damage early can prevent more serious issues. Trucking companies should establish a routine tire maintenance schedule, as well-maintained tires lead to improved safety and reduced operational costs. Braking systems. Brakes are a truck's lifeline when it comes to safety. A well-maintained braking system is essential for preventing accidents and ensuring the vehicle stops reliably. Regular brake maintenance includes inspecting pads, rotors, and fluid levels to ensure they are functioning correctly. Common brake maintenance tasks involve pad replacement. Worn pads can lead to decreased stopping power. Fluid checks. Ensuring brake fluid is at the right levels maintains responsiveness. System inspections. Checking for leaks or faults can prevent catastrophic failures. The importance of regular brake maintenance cannot be overstated. Safe braking means safe driving, and that protects both drivers and other road users. That's it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into the key strategies and tools trucking companies use to manage their fleets. Don't go anywhere. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.